In the last episode, we talked about 3 factors that affect seed germination. In this video, I will enlighten you further by enumerating other 3 factors that can affect the germination of your seed. So let us start. First, we have light. Have you ever wondered why most of the LED grow lights for crops are reddish to violet in color? You can observe this if you are growing indoor plants. Here is the reason why. We all know that light has a spectrum. In crop production, we consider red and far red lights as the essential ones. Far red lights inhibit seed germination, while the red light is the one which promotes the germination. Considering this, it is important to note that white fluorescent lamps are rich in red light, thus it promotes. Whereas, incandescent bulbs are rich in far red light, thus inhibiting germination of your seeds. Another important factor is the presence of pests. Pests that can affect the seed germination are mostly diseases and insects. As I have mentioned above, molds can conquer your seeds. Aside from this pathogen, damping off can also occur. This is caused by several microorganisms, and reddish to brown soft portions in your seedlings start to appear, which attack the lower portion of the stem, affecting the anchorage of your seedlings. Insects such as weevils and ants can also cause physical and mechanical destruction for your seeds. Lastly, we have mechanical damage. These mechanical damages can be caused by handling or, as discussed in the previous section, insect pests. Damages to seed coat and even in internal tissues of the seeds can inhibit the germination of seeds. This factor is a reminder to make sure that our seeds are stored in proper conditions. So, that's it. The factors affecting seed germination. Just to recap, we have water, temperature, aeration, light, pests, and mechanical damage. I hope that this equipped you to know the perfect conditions to store your seeds. In the next episode, we will tackle more on that aspect. But for now, enjoy your gardening journey and continue to sprout up.